Okay guys, good morning. This is Andy Demi speaking at the London Trading Group, and this is just this morning's roundup from our mentoring room. So what we spoke about very briefly was around the dollar. Okay, so we spoke this morning that this dollar is basically stuck in a little bit of a range. You can see the market is basically holding at resistance and kind of moving from support to resistance. So no clear direction yet in the dollar. So any kind of dollar pairs apart from sterling right now are pretty choppy and rangy. So we did look at sterling as well. Obviously we've gone through all the currencies. So if you do want the full analysis, just click the link below and register, and we'll send you the recording. And obviously you can join us live for the next couple of weeks as well. So here's sterling. So one of the things that we noticed here with cable is you can see this long-term trend line that has been intact. We are above it right now. Okay, so we closed slightly above it. There's a natural area of support here where the market could basically pull back. So we're looking for sterling to rally a little bit longer. You can see our predicted high here of the indicator is a little bit higher. So looking for this to kind of go here and then possibly pull back, or at least consolidate. And if we get a nice strong close on the daily, then we could be looking for a move higher. We also looked at a few. We think CAD could be weak, so we look at dollar CAD, but we're looking at Euro CAD, Kiwi CAD, and Aussie CAD. Basically the dollar CAD is closed above resistance and back above this old support that now which we broke, and then basically what looks like now fake break, and it looks like the market is heading a bit higher. Okay, so CAD weakness, which means Kiwi CAD, Euro CAD, and Aussie CAD look like potentially they could be long play. So there's the Aussie CAD weekly. Look at the Kiwi CAD. Kiwi CAD again. It's looking like at the moment we're looking for a pullback to look to buy this, and we think this market has got quite a lot of room, potentially a nice 5-to-1 trade. And in terms of the commodities, crude hit our target. So you can see from our sell back here, it's finally kind of trickled to our target. So I'm out of this one now, but basically looking for potentially this to continue lower with nice divergence on the daily. If we can break through this channel, I think this is a great potential sell zone for a move lower. Okay, so we'll be keeping an eye on that on the room. So guys, that's a quick roundup of the main kind of some of the currency pairs and the commodities. We did actually look at Bitcoin as well, so I'll bring that up very quickly because obviously it's of interest a lot, and kind of like what I looked at here with the daily chart. If we zoom over here, is that this could be due a pullback right now. So we hit 11,000, and right now it looks like, you know, it's hit one of our Fibonacci levels, and we're looking for Bitcoin to basically pull back into a fib zone. And you know, you could be looking really anywhere towards 8.5 and 8,000 as potential areas where the market could pull back. So nice little bit of resistance here. That's an area where the market could work, but certainly right now I would certainly stay clear of it. I would wait for this to come back and then look for potential buying opportunities. And we said something similar with Ethereum as well, looking for it to pull back and then go higher. Guys, that's it for me this week. My colleague Tom will be taking the mentoring room tomorrow. So wishing you all a good weekend. Good trading to you all, and I'll catch you again at my next update. Take care for now, and speak to you guys soon.